Hello everybody, so today our topic is going to be very interesting and useful because it's about it's and it's. Yeah, I know the pronunciation is same, but the meanings are extremely different. It's always been a tragedy for most of the students because they both sound same, but their meanings are extremely different from each other. So today we are going to learn the difference between them. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. First, we're going to talk about it's. There is an apostrophe in it and s. The apostrophe is used when these are short forms, like they'll, she'll, they've. These are all short forms because apostrophe is used in these words. So when there is apostrophe, this is called a shortened word. So actually, when there is it's, and the apostrophe is between it and s. So it means that it is written it is and they have got shortened. So it means it is. अगर कहीं it's लिखा हुआ है उसमें apostrophe है तो इसका मतलब है कि वो it is है. तो उसका meaning है it is. For example, when someone is asking you, how's your new job? And you say, it's great. It really means that it is great because there is an apostrophe in word and it's called it is. So you say it's great. Sometimes when there is apostrophe in the it also means it has. It is also and it has also. It has two meanings. Let's take an example of it has. It's been raining for 2 hours. In this example, we say it has been raining. It has been raining for 2 hours. It depends upon the situation of the sentence. So we will use it is and it has with the situation of the sentence. Let's get over through the it's without an apostrophe. It's kind of possessive pronoun. Like we say, it's his house, it's her house, it's their car. And we are just explaining the possession of something. So it's without apostrophe means possession of something. Usually we use it with non-living object or any object. So we will use it with non-living object or any other object. For example, the cat eats its food. So we don't say the cat eats her food because it's a thing. So we say cat eats its food. The dog was rubbing its tail. There is it's because dog is a thing or animal. So we use it's with animal or object. So this was the difference between it's and it's with apostrophe because it's always been a tragedy for the students, and they say it's with apostrophe means yours. So I hope this was very informative for you, and if you did like this video, just do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share this video also. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.